Get set! Go! Drive those Hot Wheels!
Hey, let's roll. Hey, go for it. Hey, let's roll. Hey, Team Hot Wheels. Hey, let's roll. Hey, go for it. Hey, let's roll. Hey, let's roll. Hey, go for it. Hey, let's go. Hey, Team Hot Wheels. Team Hot Wheels. I still have no idea where we're going.
Chirp.
At Carl's Jr., this is where the stars align. With the buttery sourdough, that decadent, elegant outer flow. Beef patty charred, broiled in the bacon, awaken the senses. Each bite is perfection. I'm blessed when they summon the onions and dressing. The cheese is a flex, all the flavors so fresh. This is where I wanna be, where the taste is straight harmony.
Get a taste of that harmony with the new Sourdough Star at Carl's Jr. It's pure poetry. Feed your happy.
Trust me once you know.
When Verizon gives you a free phone on any plan,
Gemini, show me the concealer.
you use AI a lot.
The long, thin tube in the middle.
Yes, boyfriend of the year.
Did we say a lot? We meant a lot.
Gemini, is my houseplant leaning away because it hates me?
Nothing personal. It's leaning away for more sunlight.
Come here, girl. Gemini, any pointers on my downward dog?
We get it. It's a Google Pixel 10 Pro from Verizon.
Oh, appreciate you.
How can you make McDonald's hot and deliciously juicy Quarter Pounder even more delicious? One word: bacon. The new fresh beef Quarter Pounder bacon or deluxe. 2 new ways to leave you speechless. Pair it with any size soft drink for just $1.
Coming up next is Halo Legends, only on Samsung Galaxy S5 The Fan 2003 channel.